Hello, namaste, and welcome to Deep Into Your Soul Yoga Therapy. What is yoga therapy? What can it do for you? Yoga is such a wonderful practice to enhance your well-being in all areas of your life. A consistent daily practice can really make your life better. But sometimes you need a little extra help to address your specific challenges. That is where I come in, a yoga therapist. Many people ask me, what is yoga therapy? How is it different from yoga? Why not just take a yoga class? A well-trained yoga teacher will be able to safely teach the fundamentals of yoga techniques to a group or individual while being mindful of contraindications for various mental or physical conditions. For example, a yoga teacher might teach a class for cancer patients. A yoga therapist works mostly one-on-one, where the client's specific needs and symptoms are the focus. In yoga therapy, the practitioner is using yoga techniques to therapeutically address specific conditions. A yoga therapist has significantly more training and experience helping clients manage and recover from their conditions. The yoga therapist will often use the Panchamaya system, which looks at the layers of a person beyond the physical to find root causes of suffering, pain, and disease. I have been working as a trained yoga therapist for over 20 years. I work with people with chronic conditions, osteoporosis, injury, pain management, limb loss, and veterans. To set up a session, go to www.deepintoyoursoul.com. If you are a veteran, email me at Marsha, M-A-R-S-H-A, at deepintoyoursoul.com to learn more about my Veterans Yoga Therapy donation-based program. Thank you.